Hi guys, welcome to SavvyMoneyShow with me, your host Sean. You may notice I've got some new lights, courtesy of those of you who have been supported the channel via Coffee and Cash App. Thank you for your donations. Any donations do go to improving the videos. Anyway, let's get into it. Today we have 2 stock splits coming up and a penny stock that Blackrock has picked up $2 million worth. So let's get into it. Merchants Bancorp. Well, it's a diverse banking stock that has gone up 75%. They give a 0.75% dividend in December. They have a PE ratio of 6, and they have a price to book of 1.86, price to sales of 3.27. They've agreed a renewal of a share buyback up to $75 million, and they've approved a 3-for-2 split for any shareholders who are on record for January 3rd, 2022. So basically they'll get 1 free share for every 2 shares they hold. Now, don't forget to hit that lovely like button, and don't forget the sexy subscribe button. A lot sexier than me, just ask the wife. And if you want to be a hero, hit the bell notification. You'll be notified when a new video gets uploaded. And why not check out the links in the description below. If you're looking for a free trading platform, you get a free share worth up to £200, depending on the platform you use if you deposit a small amount. We have E Plus Inc., which is E Plus Security. It's $115, the price target, and let's give is $125. It's doing a 2-for-1 split, so it's giving a free share in the dividend. It will be payable on December the 13th for people on record of November the 29th. Has a market cap of 1.56 billion versus an enterprise value of 1.72 billion. PE of 16, price to sales of 0.94, price to book of 2.54, enterprise value versus revenue of 1.04. The Dow, it's 85% off its highs. The price target from all the analysts is $26 a share. It's a streaming company. It's hoping to be profitable because its forward PE is 40, which isn't low, but what is low is its price to sales is 0.71 and price to book of 0.98. Now for the downside with this company. It's based in China. We all know China stocks are out of favour, and it's just had earnings and it disappointed on earnings across the board. So I suggest you look into that before putting any money into this. However, it could be a good turnaround play. That's something you have to decide. I've had people asking me what's happening with the market, why when shares are so low people are not buying them. Well, people are looking at the cost of the companies, and I think these big funds will be using the losses as a tax harvest, and they see the likes of Visa at $200 and think, well, I'll get it on 170, 175. They see Disney down so low and it's heavily oversold, and they think, wow, some of these funds may well sell it off, take the loss, claim it back on their taxes, and it'll drop, and it may well be that way. You know, you've got the same with Sam, you've got Teledoc, you know, all across the board. Me, I have my price targets where I'm willing to get in, but I do not take a full position straight away. That way I leave plenty of room in case it carries on falling. But at the same time, if all of a sudden the stock ends up turning around, it could be on great earnings or something, then at least I have some skin in the game. People said I timed the market with a crash, but I didn't. What actually happened was I didn't want to. What actually happened was I didn't want to lose out, and I thought the market would go down another 20% like everyone else, and it was just by luck. Anyway, let's get on with it. The crypto part, I said about Sheep, ADA and DOT when crypto crash was going on. Now I'm looking at, I'm in Mana and ENJ, and I'm also in Polygon. I see these as doing well from the metaverse. I've already given my full list to my Discord as well. I see companies such as NAKA, Mist, Network, NETVRK, DGB. I see these coins doing incredibly well as well, but them coins are difficult to get, so you have to decide if it's worth the effort. But once they get listed on an exchange, you will see them go up. Let me know in the description what coins you are holding and why. Let me know if there's anything you want me to do a video on as well, and I'll try my best to do it. And have a lot of due diligence in my Discord, so why not check out the links in the description below and join the Discord. A couple of specs that I think need to pay attention to is DCRN, which is tritium charging. It's a charging system that ChargePoint use. So whenever ChargePoint sells their chargers, they're effectively selling tritium or DCRN's chargers. Also PPGH. Now they have a 98% market share in Taiwan, and they are using a swappable battery system. And the thing about them is, on their board they have the guy who invented the Xbox. They've also got the guy who invented the Android system. They've also got another guy who worked for Microsoft, and another guy who was on Amazon Web Services. So they have some top tech guys there. I suggest you look at it, do your due diligence, because they're still around in their asset value. And I'll see you in the next video. If you found any of my videos helpful and you want to help me make more, you can support me by buying me a coffee. The link is in the description below.